Hey there, and welcome to today's episode of Is It Taxable? We're going to talk about California and we're going to talk about SaaS. And we're going to answer the question of, is SaaS taxable in California? California is one of my favorite states. I actually grew up in California in the Bay Area. And while California is known for wine country, tech startups, high taxes, the thing is that in California, SaaS and digital products are not taxed in regards to sales tax. And so if you're a high growth technology company selling into California or you're based in California, you do not need to charge sales tax on those sales to customers in California. That's great. Makes things a lot easier, especially if you're an early stage technology company. But while California does not charge tax on SaaS sales, you should know that many other states do. States like New York, where high growth technology companies tend to have a lot of customers or maybe even remote employees creating physical nexus. And also in states like South Carolina, where I'm based. And so while SaaS and digital products are not taxable in California, if you are selling to customers in states outside of California, but you're based in California, you might still want to take sales tax seriously. In most states, there is what we call nexus, meaning that you have a substantial enough presence in the state that you need to charge sales tax. And so if you're selling into a state like New York or South Carolina or Vermont, where SaaS sales are taxable, you'll want to first check to see if you have nexus. That could be an office in one of these states, a physical employee in one of these states, or you've crossed a certain sales threshold. Now, depending on the state, that might be a revenue number, or that might be a certain number of transactions, or it might be both. And so on today's episode, we're going to keep it short and sweet. No, SaaS is not taxable in California, but you might want to ensure that you're compliant elsewhere nationwide. And that's exactly what we can help with at Numeral. We're actually based in California. And so to our customers in California, we don't charge sales tax on those sales. But yeah, Numeral, it's the end-to-end platform for sales tax compliance. And we even have a free Nexus tracking product if you want to know where you may have exposure and Nexus nationwide and also globally. And that's today's episode of Is It Taxable? Stay tuned for our episode tomorrow.